Just the one left twice while wolfing your hide. Lost your love, new numb after right.
Well, that was me, completely failing a lip sync attempt. Turns out I forgot to turn on the reference audio node, and instead of delivering the dialogue like she was supposed to, she just started singing. Yeah, not exactly the scene I had in mind.
Now let's talk about the movie making.
I started off just experimenting, testing a simple fight scene using my Apex Jane avatar and sedence. Nothing too serious at first. This is how it looked. Then I introduced a second character, Aiko, short for Aikomatrio. The moment they faced off, something changed. The scene instantly felt cinematic, like it belonged in a film, not just a test render. That's when things started to evolve. I began generating more clips, pushing the action further, exploring different angles, different moments. And somewhere along the way, I had this thought: why keep this as just random fight shots? Why not turn it into something bigger, a short film with an actual story? Because once there's a story, the fight isn't just cool to watch, it means something.
Stay down.
So I pulled all the clips into the editor and started shaping them, building sequences, adding dialogue, introducing new characters, and just like that, the story began to take form. That's when the title came to me, Apex Day Appeal. But what does it actually mean? At its core, it's about Apex Jane. The channel suddenly gets demonetized with no clear explanation. Instead of backing down, she decides to fight it, not through forms or emails, but by going straight to the source. She sets out to reach the appeal headquarters, the place where these decisions are made. But what starts as a simple mission quickly turns into something much bigger. Now, it's not just about an appeal, it's a hunt. Apex Jane goes after the reviewers, the ones behind the blanket ban on her channel. She's not just trying to get it back, she wants answers. Just to be clear, this whole thing is made purely for fun. It's a parody, a completely fictional story, no harm intended. But anyway, jokes aside, I really hope you enjoy what I'm putting together. It's still in the works, been about 2 days now, still cooking. I've burned through a lot of Sedence credits bringing this to life, but honestly, it's been worth it. And I also want to give a quick shout out to some tools that helped along the way, especially FlexClip and Mage. Links are in the description. This isn't sponsored or anything, just a genuine thank you for the support. Alright, that's it for now. The film is coming up. Don't expect this to look like a big budget, polished film. At the end of the day, it's just an AI-made project, stitched together experiment by experiment. But I didn't really plan this out with proper reference frames or structure. It's basically a sequence of random clips stitched together, so calling it a short film would be a stretch. It's more like a long chain of cinematic experiments. This was more of a learning phase than a finished product. Next time, I'll approach it with proper planning, stronger continuity, better setup, and a clearer vision from the start. So yeah, that's all for today. I'm aiming to release it sometime next week. And for my Patreon supporters, I'll be sharing at least one workflow update every month, giving you a behind-the-scenes look at how all of this comes together. Thank you to everyone supporting this journey. It really means a lot. Alright, thanks again, and I'll see you soon.